Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to walk you through the steps on how to measure your pupillary distance, both how you can achieve this through Zenni's website, or if you're using the Zenni app, how you can do it over there. And also be sure to check out my friend referral link down in the description to get a discount on your Zenni purchase. So I'll start off with zennioptical.com. If you're ordering through their website, all you have to do is select some eyeglass frames that you would like to use. So let's say, for instance, I wanted to go with these. So then I can click where it says select lenses. And then at this point, I need to enter my prescription information. I'm going to say I'm a new customer with a new prescription. And for me, I have single vision, so I'm going to select that option. Now from this point, you need to enter your prescription manually. And what I did was from my eye doctor, I got my prescription information printed out so that I could use that to enter this information. So I'm going to click where it says enter your prescription manually. And then we can see that the first option here is talking about our pupillary distance. So that's obviously going to be the distance between the center of each of our pupils. And if you don't already know your pupillary distance, then you can click here where it says find your PD. So we're going to click on that. And a voice is going to read out instructions, so make sure you have the volume turned up either on your computer or on your phone, wherever you're listening to this. So we're going to click next. Make sure you get a standard magnetic card, and light colored cards are going to work best. So this can be something like a library card, a gym membership card, a credit card, anything that has a standard magnetic strip on the back of it. And then we're going to use that to hold that against our forehead, and it will use that distance so that it can get an idea of what the pupillary distance is between your eyes. It's going to use your webcam if you're on your computer or laptop, or if you're on a tablet or a phone, it should use the built-in selfie camera that you have on that particular device. And that's how it will go through this process of measuring your pupillary distance. Now I'll also show you where you can access this through the Zenni app. So over on the Zenni app, from the homepage, what we're going to do is scroll down until we find the option where it talks about our biometric facial data. And we can see right here, it says discover your pupillary distance, your face shape, face width, and get your personal frame recommendations. So we're going to click on here where it says biometric facial data measurement. It's going to give you some instructions to follow here. So we're going to go on to the next page. You want to remove your glasses and pull back any hair so it doesn't get in the way of your eyes or your face during this measurement process. So then we're going to click on where it says start. And then you're going to have to give the app permission to use your camera to make this measurement. Then it's going to ask you to keep your face in the center of the screen during this measurement process. And after it completes the measurement process, you'll be able to get your pupillary distance from there. I've tried a few different apps in terms of measuring my pupillary distance, and every time that I go through this process, it brings back a similar number kind of for me in the 61 to 62 millimeters range. So the fact that it's very consistent data that I'm getting back makes me feel confident that this is a pretty accurate number. I also took a ruler and put it up against my forehead to kind of measure between the center of each pupil, and it was also in right about that range. So I feel good that the data that I'm getting from these measurements is fairly accurate. So I hope this video was helpful walking you through the steps on how to measure your pupillary distance, whether you're going through Zenni's app or through their website. I appreciate you guys stopping by. Consider subscribing to the YouTube channel, and I'll see you back here next time.